Hello everyone, welcome to Amar Concept House. Today we are going to study about what is redox reaction. Before we start what is redox reaction, first we will discuss about the what is oxidation and what is reduction. Simply oxidation means loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron. Clear? Let's come to know about the oxidation and reduction in detail. Suppose I will take an atom X and it lost an electron. It lost an electron and X become X plus. Why I wrote X plus? Because X lost an electron, so its formal charge is positive. So here I am saying oxidation is happening by losing an electron. Oxidation by loss of electron. Loss of electrons. Now suppose I will take another atom Y and Y gained an electron. So what Y will become? Y minus. Right or not? Now what is happening with Y? Reduction. That means Y become Y minus by gaining an electron. Y minus means formal charge, and this formal charge is oxidation number. So here the oxidation number is -1. So oxidation number is -1. In oxidation, the oxidation number increase or decrease? See, here charge कुछ नहीं था. That means 0. Formal charge is 0 over x. But after losing an electron, formal charge over x become +1. That means here charge increased from 0 to +1. That means oxidation is happening. Okay, in my first video I have already discussed what is oxidation number and how do I find that. So here +1 is nothing but it is the oxidation number. That means oxidation number always increases in oxidation. Oxidation number always increases 0 to 1. Clear? Now here what happened with the charge? Charge 0 से -1 decreases. This is reduction. So reduction is gain of electron. Reduction is gain of electron. That means oxidation number decreases in reduction. So oxidation number decreases here, and in oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases. Understood? This is the basic thing about oxidation and reduction. Understood? Now see another example here. Cu2 plus Mg, Cu plus Mg2 plus. See carefully. Here formal charge over copper is +2, but here the charge over copper is 0. That means copper is gaining 2 electron. It means oxidation number decreases. Oxidation number decreases means reduction. Clear? Who loses the 2 electrons? Magnesium. Here magnesium losses 2 electrons. 0 से +2. That means loss of electron. Loss of electron means oxidation number increase. So here oxidation is happening. Here oxidation is happening. So it is the oxidation by loss of electrons. Oxidation by loss of electrons. And here reduction occurs. Reduction by gain of electrons. Reduction by gain of electrons. So don't confuse. Whose oxidation number is decreasing, that is reduction, and whose oxidation number is increasing, that is oxidation. Clear? So draw a simple table here. oxidation, that is reduction. Oxidation means loss of electrons and reduction means gain of electrons. And in oxidation number increases, and in reduction oxidation number decreases. I am giving another example. Cr2O7 2 minus plus Fe2 plus, that becomes Cr3 plus Fe3 minus, Fe3 plus. Please tell me now, whose is oxidation and whose is reduction? Here first Fe2 plus become Fe3 plus, that means oxidation number increases. So oxidation is happening here by loss of electrons. Oxidation is happening here. Now we will talk about chromium. First we write here oxidation number increases, that means oxidation occurs. Now we will talk about chromium. Here charge of chromium is +3, but here we don't know the charge of chromium. So first we calculate the formal charge over chromium. Let it be x. Let the oxidation number of chromium is x. So here 2 chromium. So we write 2 into x. Now oxygen का formal charge कितना है? -2, and number of oxygen is +7. So we write -7 into 2. Now what is the total formal charge over Cr2O7? What is the formal charge over Cr2O7? is -2. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -2, टोटल Cr2O7 के ऊपर भी -2. So is equals to -2. Now solve it. 2x minus 14 is equals to -2. Now 2x is equals to 12 and x is equals to +6. So here the oxidation state or oxidation number of chromium is +6. Clear? That means chromium का formal charge +6 से +3 हुआ है. It means oxidation number decreases or oxidation state decreases. Oxidation number decreases means reduction occurs. Clear? So the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction occurs, that reaction is known as redox reaction. Clear or not, students? Now write the note. The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction occurs, that reaction is known as redox reaction. So the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction occurs, that reaction is known as redox reaction. Clear or not, students? This video gets too long now, that's why I keep it here today. In next video, I will discuss about what is oxidizing agent and what is reducing agent. Thank you. God bless you.